You can transform your skin from this to this using that your cheap body lotions like the Nivea body lotion, the Dove body lotion, and the Vaseline body lotion. Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It's a favorite girl here this series, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you on how you can boost your sheep lotions into super active brightening lotions, and how often should you use this product in a week, your weekly routine starting from Monday to Sunday. Firstly, I'm going to be listing out the product or the items you're going to be needing for this weekly routine in order to boost that your sheep body lotion to super active brightening lotion. So the first item or the first product you're going to be needing for this routine is your lightening shower gel. Your lightening shower gel. So this is the lightening shower gel we're going to be using for this routine. So the second item we're going to be needing on this routine is our lightening tablet soap, our lightening bar soap. And the lightening bar soap we're going to be using for this routine is our nano extra whitening bar soap. So guys, the third item or the third product you're going to be needing for this activation or for this routine is your lightening body oil, your lightening body oil. So for this video, we're going to be using the CeraVe treatment whitening oil. So if you can't find this within where you stay, you can actually go for the Vit Gold whitening body oil, or you can go for White Now body oil. These oils I'm listing out, they contain good active. Just make sure you're getting a body oil that contains good active. Now the fourth item or the fourth product you're going to be needing for this routine is our body scrub. This is our body scrub. So this is the sugar body scrub. And remember, as I said in one of my videos, that for sugar body scrub, this is very, very good for people with sensitive skin. But if you know that you have a very tough and a dry skin, I will always advise you to go for the salt body scrub. So you're going to be needing your body scrub for this routine. And last but not the least is that we're going to be needing our tablet soap, a moisturizing body bar soap. So for this routine, we're going to be using this particular tablet soap, the Siri Forever Young tablet soap. So this soap is sold at the price of, I think, 500 naira or thereabouts. So it is a very, very mild soap, okay? It must not actually be this particular tablet soap. You can actually go for the Dove tablet soap. Just go for anything mild, just something mild that does not contain any active in it, okay? So it will go well. For your day one, which is Monday morning, you're going to be needing your moisturizing tablet soap. Soaps such as your Dove soap, your Detox soap, that is for sensitive skin, or you can also go for this particular one, the Siri Forever Young tablet soap. So these soaps I'm listing, they are very, very mild and they do not contain any actives in it. So it's not something that's going to lighten your skin. It's very, very mild. So you use this soap, use it and clean your body in the morning, then go in and apply your sheep lotions directly on your body, and that is all for your morning Monday routine. In the evening, that is Monday evening, you're going to be making use of your lightening tablet soap. So this is our lightening tablet soap, of course, the nano extra whitening tablet soap. So aside from this, you can also go for the 4-in-1 Kojic white glitter papaya alpha butane tablet soap, or you can also go for the Ashanti tablet soap, or you can go for the extract, the original extract tablet soap. Okay, use it and wet your body, then allow it to penetrate right into your skin, like allow it on your body for like 5 to 10 minutes if it's possible. Allow it to penetrate right into your body to do the job before washing it off. Now after washing your body, then come out from the shower room. The next thing you're going to be doing is to apply your cheap lotion into your skin. Apply your cheap lotion on your body. After applying your cheap lotion on your body, the next thing you're going to be needing is your lightening body oil. So this is Monday evening. Apply your lightening body oil on top of your lotion. You have to apply your body lotion first before going ahead to apply your body oil. Now after that, allow your body to dry first before laying down on the bed to sleep. And that is all for Monday routine. Tuesday, we're going to be doing double cleansing and exfoliating. Tuesday morning, we're going to be double cleansing and exfoliating, right? So Tuesday morning, we're just going to be using our body bar soap, our moisturizing or hydrating tablet soap. After then, we then go in with our cheap lotion like the Nivea body lotion or the Dove body lotion or your Vaseline body lotion. Okay, then after applying your body lotion directly on your body, you then go in with your lightening body oil. After applying your body oil, go in with your SPF, apply your sunscreen after applying your body oil, most especially this part of the skin that is being always exposed on the sun. Apply your sunscreen, and that is all for our Tuesday morning routine. For your Tuesday evening, we're going to be needing our lightening tablet soap, which is this, your lightening tablet soap, the nano extra tablet soap, or your K brother, just any lightening tablet soap that contains good active. Okay, it must not actually be this. So make sure you allow the lather to penetrate on your skin before washing it off. Then go in with your shower gel, and this is the shower gel we're going to be making use of on this video. So this is the Freezer double moisturizing shower cream. You can actually go for any shower cream of your choice. It must not actually be this. Okay, so just go for any shower cream you can lay your hands that contain good actives. Now, after applying this on your body, you have to allow it to penetrate on your skin to do the job, okay, for like 5 minutes. Now, after making use of your shower cream, the next thing you're going to be needing is your body scrub, alpha arbutin sugar body scrub, the Dr. Mania alpha arbutin sugar body scrub. It must not actually be this particular scrub. Just go for any good scrub you can lay your hands on, use it and exfoliate your skin. Preferably use your exfoliating hand glove while exfoliating your skin. So for sugar body scrub, just the way I said at the beginning of this video, that sugar body scrub is always very, very good for people with sensitive skin. But if you're someone with a very hard and a tough skin, like your skin is very, very stubborn, I would advise to go for the soft body scrub. But if you're someone that have a very sensitive and light skin, I would advise to go for the sugar body scrub. So use the body scrub to scrub your body all over. Preferably use your exfoliating hand glove. Scrub your body from head to toe, but don't use it on your face. So please avoid using your body scrub on your face. Scrub your body all over. Then allow the body scrub to to relax on your body for like some minutes before going ahead to wash it off. After exfoliating your skin and you're out from the shower, the next thing you're going to be needing is your body lotion, like your Nivea body lotion, your Dove body lotion, or your Vaseline body lotion. Use it and apply all over your body, excluding your face. So what you're going to be needing is your lightening body oil. Apply your lightening body oil at night. Now, after applying your lightening body oil at night, the next thing you're going to be doing is to allow your body to air dry, like maybe just stay close to the fan so that your body will dry first before going ahead to lay down and sleep. And that is basically it for Tuesday night. Okay, so the next day, which is Wednesday, is for body moisturization. Wednesday morning routine, you're going to be needing moisturizing tablet soap such as the Siri Forever Young tablet soap or your Dito tablet soap, or you can actually go for the Dove tablet soap. Then after which you then go in with your body lotion such as your Dove body lotion, your Nivea or your Vaseline body lotion. After applying your body lotion, you then go in with your lightening body oil. After applying your body oil, make sure you apply your sunscreen. Like make sure you apply your sunscreen on Wednesday morning, and that is all for Wednesday morning routine. So for Wednesday evening or for Wednesday night, you're going to be needing your exfoliating or your lightening tablet soap, like the nano extra tablet soap, which is this. Then after using your tablet soap, you then go in with your body lotion. After applying your body lotion, you then go in with your lightening body oil. After applying your body oil, that is all for Wednesday evening. Then go to bed. Make sure you allow your body to dry first before going ahead to sleep. And that is all for Wednesday evening. So the next day, which is Thursday morning, Thursday is basically for exfoliation or exfoliating and double cleansing, or better call it deep cleansing. So Thursday is for exfoliating, deep cleansing, or double cleansing. So this is what you're going to be doing on Thursday. For Thursday morning, we're going to be needing our Dove tablet soap and clean your body on Thursday morning. After that, you go in with your cheap body lotion, the Nivea body lotion or the Dove body lotion or the Vaseline body lotion. After applying your body lotion, you then go in with your body oil, your lightening body oil. After applying your body oil, do not forget to apply your SPF, which is very, very essential. That's going to help to prevent your skin from UV damage, environmental factors that would lead to skin darkening of your skin. And that is basically it for Thursday morning. Thursday evening, we're going to be needing our tablet soap, our lightening tablet soap, which is this, the Nano Extra tablet soap or your Ashanti tablet soap. Now, after using it to clean your system, allow the lather to penetrate right into your skin for like 2-3 minutes before going ahead to wash it off. Then go in and use your shower gel. Then after applying your shower gel, allow it to penetrate right into your skin for like 1 to 2 minutes before going ahead to wash it off. Now, the reason why I'm saying that you should allow this product to stay on your body for like some minutes before going ahead to wash it off, the reason is that so that the actives used in the formulation of this product will be able to work on your skin. You can't just use product that contain active and then wash it off immediately. No, it's not going to give you that result you desire. Wash for the second time. That is, we are doing double cleansing, or we call it deep cleansing. Okay. Now, after doing that, you then go in and use your body scrub. Make sure you exfoliate your skin on this particular day. After exfoliating your skin, you come out from the shower and then apply your cheap lotion like the Nivea, the Dove, in fact, your cheap lotion. Then after applying your cheap lotion, the next thing you're going to be needing on this particular day is to apply your lightening body oil. And remember, I said you can actually use CeraVe treatment whitening oil, or you can go for the Vid Gold whitening body oil, or you can go for the White Now whitening body oil. Now, these body oils I'm listing now, they are actually a whitening body oil that's going to give you 1 to 2 shades lighter, okay? But then the active used in the formulation of this product, they actually save. Like, I've actually used them, and I can tell you that it does not actually cause all those negative effects, does not actually give all those negative effects. That you're also using this lightening product with a moisturizing body lotion is not going to harm your skin. That body lotion, which is your Nivea body lotion or your Dove body lotion or your Vaseline body lotion, is going to neutralize the high effect of lightening. That body lotion, that body oil is going to, the lightening body oil is going to leave your skin with. So it's going to help to neutralize the high effects. So that lightening effect is going to, it's not going to be that much. That's the more reason why it's going to give you like 2-3 shades light. Now, after applying your lightening body oil, the next thing you're going to be doing is to allow your body to dry. Allow your body to dry, to air dry. Probably stay close to the fan. After your body must have dry, you can then go in and sleep. And that is all for Thursday evening to the next day, which is Friday. Friday is basically for body glowing and body maintenance. For Friday morning, you're going to be needing your tablet soap, your moisturizing tablet soap, your Ashanti tablet soap, your Nano Extract tablet soap, which is this, or any good lightening tablet soap that contains good actives in it. Okay, then use it and clean your body. After cleansing your body with your tablet soap, you then come out and use your cheap lotion like the Dove body lotion, your Nivea body lotion, or your Vaseline body lotion. Apply it directly into your skin. After that, you then go in and apply your lightening body oil. At night, apply your Kojisan soap or your lightening tablet soap. Then go in with your cheap lotion. After that, apply your lightening body oil and allow your body to dry before going ahead to sleep. And that is all for Friday evening or Friday night routine. Okay, now coming to the next day, Saturday is for exfoliation and skin brightening. Saturday morning, we're going to be needing this, our Dove soap, or this, or any moisturizing or hydrating tablet soap. Then you then go in with your Nivea body lotion. Then go in with your body oil and your SPF, of course. Then coming into Saturday night, we're going to be needing our lightening tablet soap to cleanse our body. After that, you then go in with your shower cream. After applying your shower cream or your shower gel, you then go in with your exfoliation. You're going to exfoliate on this particular day, which is Saturday night. You're going to exfoliate either with this or any body scrub of your choice. After this, after scrubbing your body, then you then go in and apply your body lotion. After applying your body lotion, you then go in and apply your body lightening oil. And that is all for Saturday evening routine. So for Sunday, Sunday is basically for moisturization, and preferably Sunday, I usually prefer my skin to rest on Sunday. Yes, because even Christ said that on the Sabbath day, which is on the seventh day, you need to rest. So on this particular day, all I have to do is just to use my normal hydrating or moisturizing tablet soap to shower. After then, I just apply my body lotion, and that is all for Sunday morning and Sunday evening. I don't actually do much on Sunday. I just allow my skin to to rest. So my love, that is basically how you can actually activate your sheep lotion. That's your body lotion that seems not working on your skin, to super active brightening body lotion. That is all for today's video. If you find this video interesting and helpful, please do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and of course like and share this video. And if you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please hit on the subscribe button down below and subscribe to the channel to join the subscribe community. I promise you're not going to regret it. On this page, we do everything skincare, we do everything affordable skincare products that works. I mean, affordable skincare products that works. So if you want to take your skincare journey from 0 to 100 this year, 2025, please just hit on the subscribe button, and I promise you're not going to regret it. I'm going to see you guys on my next one. And if you did enjoy this video and I'm going to be trying out this routine of mine, please comment on the comment section down below. And if you have any questions to ask, do not hesitate to ask your question. I'll be right there to give you my prompt response. See you guys on my next one. Until then, remain blessed.